On March 18, 2026, a simple traffic stop takes a sharp turn when the driver steps out and refuses to get back inside. Her daughter is still sitting in the back seat, watching everything unfold. But then officers notice something about the vehicle that instantly raises the stakes. What happens? Next turns this routine stop into a confrontation neither side seems prepared for.
Get back in the car! 3378, they're refusing to get back in the vehicle. What did I say? Get back in the car. Okay, what are you doing? Get back in the car. Okay, get back in the car. Okay, so what are you doing? I don't care. Get back in the fucking car. You don't understand what I'm saying to you? Okay, so then get back in the car. Okay, and it's off. So what are you doing?
Put my fucking coat down. I want to put my fucking coat down. Oh. Put my fucking coat down.
Okay, you got your coat off, so get back in the car. Right, so get back in the car.
I'm getting in the fucking car now.
So then do it.
All right.
3334. Do we know which cell left?
All right.
Is it 21 in Milwaukee or the one in Newberry in Milwaukee? She's still not complying. 10-4, I'm going to be en route.
Yep.
33,
Okay, you don't want to
location
get back in the car, then come back here.
Ma'am, walk towards us.
Come this way. All right. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Okay, I don't care. Get out. Then get out of the car. I asked you so many times. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Okay, just.
We gave you plenty of
No, don't put your hands right.
We gave you plenty of time.
No, don't do that. My baby. Look.
Stop.
Okay, look.
Stop. Okay, we're not trying to do it. Hey, we're not trying to do a scene in front of your daughter. I understand.
Don't do that.
I understand. But listen to us, please.
I am.
She asked you multiple times to get back in the car.
I don't want her
understand.
crying about this shit. Look at this.
Okay, I understand.
No kid needs this fucking
so
trauma.
Listen to us and comply.
I'm in the goddamn gas station. I'm not fucking moving.
Stop.
I'm fucking
Lower
parked.
your voice.
She can lower hers first.
It's you and I talking.
Okay.
Relax.
I'm calm.
You are not.
She was neither.
Okay, it's you and I now.
I just told you don't fucking scare my fucking daughter. That's what I'm fucking saying.
I'll put you in handcuffs right now because you're acting.
Situation is. I just told you don't fucking scare my fucking daughter. That's what I'm fucking saying.
I'll put you in handcuffs right now because you're acting.
Situation is, don't do this
Okay,
shit.
come here. Walk over here. Walk over here.
Stop.
No, walk over
Don't
here.
do that in front of a fucking child. You know that shit scares children.
What's going on?
God damn. So anyway, I'm coming this way, and I'm coming over to the side. So she pulls me over, or her lights go off, and I pull up
3327 by file.
What should have been a simple traffic stop is already getting out of control. The driver refuses repeated commands to get back inside her vehicle, insisting she only wants to remove her coat. But officers aren't willing to keep negotiating, especially with her young daughter watching from the back seat. As the tension rises, officers warn her that continued resistance could lead to handcuffs. She argues that they're frightening her child, while officers insist they're simply trying to control the situation. But this confrontation is about to take a much more serious turn.
pulls up behind me and says something about get back in the fucking car. I was just taking off my coat. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already in fucking lights. Why do you gotta fuck? What's with the fuck? That's just gonna cause more tension.
I understand.
Fucking calm down.
I'm calm.
I know, I'm sorry.
All right. I'm calm. Go ahead. Let's take it down. Kids in the car?
Yeah.
How many?
One.
How old?
6. I gotta be my high school daughter.
Okay. That's what you're doing now? You're on your way?
Yes.
Where are you coming from?
Olive Garden.
Okay. I understand why it's upsetting. We're trying to figure it out, right? So if she's let me explain something to you. If she's stopping you for something, I don't know if you've gotten as far as why she's stopping you. Okay, I don't know.
I haven't.
Okay, we're gonna figure that out. But if a law enforcement officer is stopping you, okay, they have the right to have you in or out of that vehicle. Okay, so that's where that was coming from. And when you start getting up here and elevated like that, you can understand why our response is that way. Okay, so let's just bring it down a bit and we'll figure it out. All right. I understand why it's upsetting. I do. And maybe you're having a bad day.
All right, I just don't like the fuck. And you start fucking me, and the cops still out, fuck, come on. And she already got her hand on a fucking weapon. What the fuck? Don't fuck me and you got your fucking hand on a weapon. That shit is straight.
Listen, hold on. I wasn't there.
I got a fucking kid in the car. I got to get another fucking kid. And you like fuck me. Like, come on, dog. Don't do me like that.
I hear you.
God damn, that shit excites me too.
What's your name?
Tiffany.
Tiffany, let me ask you this. Does she know anything about you?
No.
Does she know whether or not you have an intent to hurt her?
No.
Okay. So let's start there. All right? Your daughter's back in the car staying warm. Okay? Were you just trying to get gas? Okay. Let's go. Okay. Go ahead. It's going to go a lot faster if we can just keep it at this level. Okay?
Yeah.
I know that she might have pissed you off. I get it. But let's just keep it at this level. Okay. You understand? This response here is because of that level that we brought it to, okay? That irate level that I came in and saw you at, all right? Okay. Do you live in the area?
I do. I moved to Great Slate.
Oh, okay. So you're in this spot.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm military, so I get it. You know what I'm saying?
I hear you. I understand. What branch?
Navy.
Thank you. You go to the naval base out in...
Yeah, over there, officially.
Are you like active right now? Or
No, reserve.
Okay. We're just waiting for the other officer to come and talk to you. That's it. Okay? The first one you talk to.
For a moment, the situation appears to be calming down. An officer separates the emotion from the confrontation and explains why the police response became more aggressive. The driver admits she's upset because she feels the officer immediately treated her like a threat, especially with her daughter in the car. Officers try to de-escalate, asking about her background and giving her a chance to calm down. But behind the scenes, they're checking the vehicle. And then officers return with information that completely changes the direction of this traffic stop.
So what's going to happen is the car does come back stolen, and because you did resist me actively and you obstructed all my verbal commands to you, I am putting you under arrest, okay? So we're going to... Oh, no. You are. Stop. We're going to figure that out.
Wait. Can I call grandmother?
You can at the station.
So if you want to arrange for someone to pick her up, that's fine.
Nope, stop. We're figuring that out. Don't let me forget that. Stop.
I don't like this. My baby's in the car, and I don't like that.
Okay.
Hold on.
First of all, my car is not stolen. It might be registered stolen, but I paid money for my car, so I don't know what the fuck that is.
We can bring you back to the station to talk about it there. All right, we're not going to talk about it right here. All right. So, as far as the daughter, all right, if you want someone to come pick her
Go
up,
ahead.
we can do that, or we can bring her back to the station.
No.
Well,
what?
They don't pick her up because
Okay.
it's going to be 2 hours. We're not going to sit here.
No, but I got to do my other. I want this to call grandma.
3334, we got one in custody.
I'm going to check her right here in the back. Yeah, okay.
So,
Do you have anything on you?
no, I don't.
Okay.
I want my daughter picked up from school.
Right now, we're focusing on this. We will allow you to make phone calls or make arrangements for that. But right now, we're dealing
My
with
daughter is at.
I understand.
I don't think you guys really understand.
I'm going to unzip this. Can you hold it real quick so I can unzip this? I'm just going to unzip this.
Come on, guys.
You can cooperate with us, and we can make that. We can arrange that sooner. If you're going to be uncooperative, it's just going to take longer.
This is not about cooperation. No, not acting like neither one of y'all act like this. My daughter is at school.
Excuse me.
We're trying to deal with this first, and then we can assist.
Well, my daughter is at school.
Okay. So let us finish with this, and we will work on getting your daughter home from school. Okay?
I'm sorry? Yeah. Okay. I might have to take that off at the station. Or you want to do it now? Okay. Yep. Okay.
Who's gonna come pick my daughter up? God damn it!
Can you lean back for me?
Can I call my grandmother?
You
to
will
come
when
and
we
pick
get
my
to the
grandmother?
station.
Yes, it's 2 minutes ride to the station.
Yeah, but
Listen, Tiffany, listen, I listen to you.
Get the high school daughter.
Yes, we'll figure that out.
Can you
But
just
if
the
the
other
sooner
side
you
and
sit in
hand
the
me the
car and let us
seatbelt?
bustle you and get to the station, the sooner you can make those phone calls.
Hey,
Nine, 10, 16.
Can you just lean back for me, please? Thank you. Oh, what am I doing?
Buckled something.
Yeah.
The moment officers reveal that the vehicle is coming back as stolen, the entire situation changes. The driver immediately denies it, insisting she paid for the car and doesn't understand why police are saying otherwise. But officers aren't just dealing with the vehicle anymore. They say her earlier refusal to follow commands and her resistance have now created additional grounds for arrest. Her biggest concern is no longer herself. It's making sure someone picks up her daughter. Officers assure her those arrangements can be handled, but only after they finish the arrest. And now she has to face the consequences of what happened at the stop.